7 rules for IELTS maps and plans. Number 1. Give a brief introduction and use this as an opportunity to display your ability to paraphrase. Number 2. Provide a short overview to describe what has happened in general. Use this to show you understand the major trend or change. Number 3. Write 2 separate paragraphs to describe all of the main changes. If you don't report all the changes, you'll only receive Band 5 in task achievement. Number 4. Use map and plan related vocabulary to accurately describe changes. Examples of these are enlarge, expand, extend. Remove, demolish, knock down. Convert, make into, redevelop. Replace, turn into, rearrange. Number 5. Use general statements that reflect changes and use these opportunities to display higher level vocabulary. Has been industrialized, has been modernized, transformed, urbanized. Number 6. Check the time periods given and use this as an opportunity to display a good range of grammar such as the present perfect and passive. A connecting path has been built. A park and ride system has been introduced, has been constructed, has been replaced, has been built. Number 7. Instead of using verbs, try using noun phrases instead. This is an excellent opportunity to display a good range of vocabulary and complex language. The old market has been demolished. One major development has been the relocation of the outdoor market. Another change has been the construction of a metro station. Thanks for watching and good luck with your IELTS preparation.